Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good at least. I think you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. I'm a little bit out of breath because it's very hot. So it's very hot out there, and especially in this room is even hotter. It's just probably about 40-45 degrees. That's why I'm gasping for breath, and also I'm sweating like a pig. Excuse me for that. We are in the middle of a heat wave in London, and it's ridiculously hot. Anyway, so today I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a brand that I have done at least 4 unboxing and review of their fragrances, and this is the Pepe Jeans London, and this one is the latest one, 2022 release, and it's called Pepe Jeans London, and this is London Calling. Is Eau de Perfume is for men, or is it unisex? Is it for men or is it unisex? Yeah, I think it's for men. Yeah, for him. So it's for men, and this one retails for £50. Yeah, between 50 to 60 pounds. I think it's about £55, something like that. But if you go online right now, you can find it discounted under £30, which is again good value for money. So let's see how it goes. As I said, I don't know anything about this one. The 4 I unboxed and reviewed are very good, especially for the price, especially for the kind of smell they represent. They always try to do famous, or they're not copying, but I think they're inspired by, say, if they smell something that is quite fancy and is quite, famous, and it's quite popular, they try to make something similar to it. So let's go. As you can see, it's a huge box. It's a Union Jack, and I like it. I know it's a bit tacky, but I like it. This company usually they make their clothing lines, so their designer aimed at youngsters. It aimed at maybe teenagers and maybe even in their 20s. So it is their philosophy, or their aim, or their marketing is toward young people. So that's why you can see why they make something like this, because it's quite attractive to the eye. It's quite attention grabbing. The box is big, huge. It's quite nice. Attention to details is good. But the main thing is, let's see how is the juice, because that's the most important thing. No matter how good packaging you have, no matter how good bottle you have, no matter how a good spray you have, if you don't have a good juice, that's all, basically it doesn't count anymore. But the reverse, if you have a very simple packaging, if you have a very simple bottle and a sprayer, but the juice is good, that makes up for almost everything. Okay, so beautiful packaging, eye-catching, very nice. Let's see how it goes. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So, comes out like this. Wow, it's very tight. Let's put this one, let's leave it here for now. Okay, so the bottle is complete blue. It's not a dark blue and it's not a light blue. It's medium blue, or blue. Okay, and it says Pepe Jeans London, and it says not to be taken, whatever that means. And it looks like one of those cocktail shaker. You know, when they make a cocktail and they put it in the shaker, it looks like one of those, which is quite attractive. It's very, again, very pleasing on the eye. And in the bottom it says Eau de Perfume 100 ml, London Calling, and the cap is, it's got a weight to it. It's plastic, but it's got weight to it. And let's go with a sprayer. Fantastic sprayer, very very good sprayer. Okay, Pepe G's London, um, London's Calling, first sniff and first impression. Here we go. Sweet mother of love. It's very sweet. So if you like sweet fragrances, this is up your alley. Wow. I knew it's going to be something quite, you know, young, youthful, and, you know, trendy, but this is taking it to another level. Okay. All right. So first thing it hits you is the sweetness. It's a big vanilla bomb. Okay. It's a vanilla and it's a tonka, so it's a combination of vanilla and tonka, and mixing together, it makes it super sweet. So if you for this is for a first impression, for a first sniff, 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 9, so it's very very sweet. Okay. Okay, it's got some fruity aspect, and the fruits here is like a dark berry or plum or dark grape, something like that. Okay, so quite a dark fruit in there. And also it's got some aromatic aspect, which is coming from probably something like lavender, because it's quite aromatic. It's quite a little bit of spiciness into it as well, and also it is quite ambery, you know. But the amber is here is a fruity amber. It's not a deep dark amber. It's a fruity amber. But overall, wow, what a smell. Beautiful, gorgeous. Again, youthful, young, trendy, today's perfume, very, very up to date. Okay, so this is very modern. There's no classicness into it. There's no mature. I mean, any age can rock this. Obviously, it's a perfume. If you like this kind of smell, you love it, you rock it. I always say in my videos, if you like a smell, wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. It doesn't matter who says what. Any other person, any reviewer, any, I don't know, any influencer, if they say it smells good, it doesn't mean that you have to wear it. Okay, so you are the one who decides what is smells good, what doesn't smell good. We try to bring it to your attention, or at least me, I try to bring it to your attention. Then you can take it from there and do your research and go and smell it and see if you like it. That's why I always say in my introduction, the intro, I always say, please try it for yourself and see if they're good to you. So this one is very attractive, very very attractive. Okay, so not a copy, all right. Don't quote me, but it smells similar or the same genre or same vein or same category as Most Wanted by Azzaro. So the new version, again, Most Wanted came out about maybe less than a year ago. So this one is very similar to it. So syrupy sweet, quite fruity, quite little on the dark side, little bit spiciness, little bit of aromatic feel to it. So overall, wow, 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 it's gorgeous. So if you like that kind of fragrances, Armani, Stronger With You EDP, or even the leather, Armani, Most Wanted by Azzaro. If you like something like what else in the same like Eros by Versace, the Eau de Perfume. So it is in that vein, in that direction, in that category. So if you like those, the price is amazing for under £30, 100 ml EDP, and it smells good, and it smells, I won't say natural, but it doesn't smell synthetic, doesn't smell chemical. Okay, smells good. It smells, again, very trendy, very up to date, very today's fragrance. I really like it. For the first impression, for first sniff, is yes. In the next video, I'll let you know the development, the longevity, things like that. But so far so good, and also it's quite thick, it's quite dense, so it looks like it's going to last as well. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much for watching. As always, if you like what you see, if you find my videos useful, if you find them entertaining, if you find them informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button for future videos, and share it with others. This way you help me to expand my channel, and I'll be very grateful. And if you know this brand, if you know any other fragrances similar to this, or you like something that you like and you recommend it to people, put it in the comment as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.